Hi, it's Emily from WTI. Have you ever slept at a nice hotel and woken up and thought, these are the best pillows of my life. Why don't I have these at home? Well, you can stop wondering that because you can go get them now with these pillows from the Beckham home store. These pillows are so soft and fluffy. They're like sleeping on a cloud of pillows all night long. And you can stop spending all night searching for the cool side of the pillow. You know why? Because these pillows have a gel technology built right into the fluffy filling that keeps the pillow cool all night long, which is amazing because they're not hard as a rock like some of those memory foam gel cooling pillows that you see. They're still light and fluffy and have super great bounce while having that gel technology that keeps you cool. I mean, look at this. Look at how fluffy it is. These pillows will change your night's sleep, and you will wonder what took you so long to upgrade. I know I am. After this, I am now upgrading all the pillows in everybody's room. And that's my point of view.